Factory_boy objects seem to lack primary keys. When I create factory_boy objects, the object doesn't appear to have a primary key and I'm not sure why. Here's my model and factory. Now, according to the factory_boy documentation on associations, if I create a user instance, I should get an ID field. However, I don't. This is what I get in the interpreter. Similarly, the documentation says these user.i.d and user_profile.i.d commands should return false instead of true since I'm creating, as opposed to building, factory_boy instances. What am I missing here? Why am I not getting an ID value when I create these instances? It seems that the only way I can get an ID is by explicitly creating an ID attribute in my factories. However, I don't see this done anywhere in the documentation, so I don't think that's what you're supposed to do. Thanks.
For Django support you need to use djangomodels factory. This URL.
For the sake of completeness, it's also worthwhile to note that in order to explicitly save a factory to the database, the documentation says you can use, which does the same thing as the following once you are using a subclass of djangomodels factory. Only when objects are saved to the database do they receive parks. To create a factory, and explicitly not save it to the database, use